Quiz time. Can you answer these questions? How many vowel letters are there? The answer is 5. What are these vowel letters? Do you remember? The answer: A, E, I, O, and U. How many long vowel sounds are there? The answer is 5. There are 2 ways to make a long vowel sound. Which of the following is correct? Is it A, 2 vowel letters together? B, 1 vowel letter? C, the final silent E? D, 1 consonant, 1 vowel. Now remember, there are 2 answers here. So, which of the following is correct? The answers are A, 2 vowel letters together, and C, the final silent E. Now with short vowel sounds, do you remember how many short vowel sounds there are? Again, the answer is 5. Do you remember how short vowel sounds are normally spelled? The answer is with 1 vowel letter. In this video, we will practice with both the long and the short vowel sounds. One way to help you understand the difference between the long and short vowel sounds better is to use your hands when saying the sounds. Let's look at an example. Man. This is a short vowel sound. Say the word. Man. Now put your hands together like this. Watch this demonstration. Man. Notice how we move our hands just a little bit apart? Your hands move a little because the word man uses a short vowel sound. Practice it again. Man. Again, notice your hands do not move very much. Now we will change the word to a long vowel sound. Main. This is a long vowel sound. Now we have 2 vowel letters. Say the word. Main. Once again, put your hands together, like this. Now, watch the demonstration. Main. Your hands move more. This is because the word main uses a long vowel sound. Practice it again. Main. Again, your hands move more. Now, let's put them together. On the left side, man. On the right side, main. See how main is the longer sound? This is because the word main is longer than the word man. Now it is your turn. We're going to try some activities. In this first activity, you're going to listen to these words. Now, as you listen to these words, we're going to use our fingers. So in this activity, we're going to show a number 2 for the words with long vowel sounds, like this. So 2 means long. Now listen. Don't forget to show a number 2 for the long vowel sounds words. Red, feet, high, shoes, knit, hat, socks, tie, now let's check the answers. Here are the words. Listen to them again and check the answers. So the first word, red. Is this a long sound? No. Feet. Is this a long sound? The answer is yes, because there are 2 letters. It sounds long. Feet. The next word, high. Is this one long? The answer is yes. The next word, shoes. Is this one a long sound? Correct. The next word, knit. Is this a long sound? No, it is a short sound. Hat. Is this one long? No, this is a short sound. The next word, socks. Is this a long sound? No. Finally, tie is a long sound. So once again, the long vowel sounds words are feet, high, shoes, tie. Activity number 2. In this activity, we will read the words, and we will try to identify which ones use long vowel sounds. Now in this activity, try to use your hands and practice. Remember, this is long. So as you practice the words, use your hands to see if it's a long sound. So here are the words. First, let's listen and repeat. Which ones do you think use the long vowel sounds? Let's read them. Same, fall, May, June, meet, hot, sun, night. Okay, so now let's check our answers. Which ones do you think have the long sound? So the first word, does it have a long sound? Yes. Let's try it again. Same. Same. So this one is long. May. May. This one is long. Okay. The next word that is long, June. June. The next long sound, meet, meet. And the final long sound, night, night. Let's try all of the words again. Same, fall, May, June, meet, hot, sun, night. Hopefully you got the answers correct. Now let's try activity number 3. Listen to these words. Now, this time, show a number 1 for the words that use a short vowel sound. Remember, short vowel sounds use one letter. So show the number 1 for the words that you think have a short vowel sound. Now listen. Don't forget to show a number 1 for the short vowel sounds words. Here we go. Name, black, pink, jeans, you, cap, blue, hot. Now let's check the answers. So once again, here are the words. Let's read through the words and see if you got the correct answer. So the first word, name. Is this a short sound? No, this is a long sound. The next word, black. Is this a short sound? Yes, it is. There is only one vowel letter, black. The next word, pink. Is this one short or long? This one is also short. The next one, jeans. Is this one a short sound? No, this one is long. The next one, you. Is this one a short sound? No, this one is a long sound. The next one, cap. This one is short. The next one, blue. Is this one short or long? This one is long. Finally, hot. Is this one short or long? This one is short. So now let's try the short words again. Black, pink, cap, hot. Activity 4. Now we will read the words. Which ones use the short vowel sounds? Now remember to use your hands. And again, this is short, so we only move our hands a little bit. So now, here are the words. Take a look at them. Now listen and repeat. Which ones use the short vowel sounds? Shirt, pants, coat, boots, vest, may, suit, bag, socks. Okay, so now let's see which ones do we think have the short vowel sound. So let's check our answers. So the first word, shirt, has an R-controlled sound. So this one is not short. So the first word that actually uses a short sound is the word pants. Pants. Okay, what is the next word that uses the short vowel sound? The answer is vest. Vest, because it has only one vowel letter. Okay, what is the next one that uses a short sound? Bag. Bag. Okay, and the last word, is it a short sound as well? Yes, it is. Socks. Socks. Let's try all of the words one more time. Shirt. Pants. Coat. Boots. Vest. May. Suit. Bag. Socks. In Activity 5, we're going to use both sounds now. So first, listen to the words. Now, as you practice, show a number 1 for the words with the short vowel sounds, and then show a number 2 for the words with long vowel sounds. So remember, 1 is for short vowel sounds, and 2 is for long vowel sounds. Now listen. Again, don't forget to show a number 1 for the short sounds and a number 2 for the long sounds. Sun. Bow. Green. 10. Hot. Cap. Blue. Rain. Now let's check the answers. So again, here are the words. Let's say them again. Sun, bow, green, 10, hot, cap, blue, rain. Okay, so now let's try the answers. So the first word, sun, is a short sound. Okay, what about the next word, bow? Is this a 1 or a 2? This one is a 2. It's a long sound. The next word, green. Is this a 1 or a 2? This is a 2. It is a long sound. The next word, 10. Is this a long or short sound? It is a short sound, number 1. Okay, the next word, hot. Is this a 1 or a 2? This is a 1. It is a short sound. The next word, cap. Is it a 1 or a 2? It's a 1. The next word, blue. Is this a 1 or a 2? This is a long sound, a 2. And finally, rain. Is this a 1 or a 2? This one is a 2. So now let's go back and try all of the words one more time. Sun, bow, green, 10, hot, cap, blue, rain. Let's practice the long and short vowel sounds one more time. So starting with the long vowel sounds, A, rain, name, E, heels, I, tie, O, coat, U, suit. Now try them again, and this time we're going to try the long sounds and compare them to the short sounds. A, rain, name. Now the short sound. A, hat, name, hat. Okay, let's try the next one again. E, heels, bed, heels, bed. The next one, I, tie, fix, tie, fix. O, coat, socks, coat, socks. U, suit, sun. Now let's just try the short vowel sounds again. A, hat, bed, fix, socks, sun. Problems with English. So when talking about our vowels, we do have some problems. Problem number 1. The English vowel letters A, E, I, O, and U can produce many, many sounds. As we can see in these videos, English vowel letters can produce many different sounds. This can make writing, reading, and speaking in English difficult. If you want to be a better speller in English, you need to know many, many words. Problem number 2. The long and short vowel sounds can often be spelled with the same letters. For example, The letters EA can sound like the long E sound in the word jeans and the short E sound in the word sweater. For example, the letter O can be the short A sound in the word hot, but can be the long O sound in the word over. Remember, English comes from many different languages, including French, Latin, Greek, and an older Germanic language. This is why English has more sounds, 44, than letters, 26 in general. But also why many words in English often have more letters than sounds. In fact, there are over 205 different ways to spell these 44 sounds. To be a better speller in English, you need to know the word. Remember, English is crazy. In our next video, we will continue with new sounds, the ng and French consonant sounds. Thank you.